Okay. What's up, guys? So we just got this email from Amazon, and I'm guessing that this email is the result that you are here on this video looking for. What's up, guys? My name is Andrew, the Hustle Millennial, and real quick, the algorithm would really appreciate you hitting that thumbs up button, and I'm kind of sure you're going to get some good information from this video. I guarantee you, actually, at the end of this video, if you've hit that like button, you are going to have this problem solved. So what is the problem? Well, the problem is something that is happening exponentially more right now than it does any other time of the year. Why? Well, you've guessed it. People are ordering more due to the holiday season. People are getting packages or not getting packages, right? That's what we're talking about here. People are not getting the packages that they order. But what happens? When someone doesn't get a package, they reach out to you, they reach out to me, they say, hey, what's up? I ordered it, I paid for it, I needed it by Christmas. Where's my refund? I want my refund. Now, there's a bunch of different ways to go about doing this, but the one clear path, the smooth sailing onto freedom is no money comes out of your pocket, the customer is happy and satisfied, your Amazon account doesn't get any strikes. Now, that is the perfect path that you want to follow. That's, again, I'm assuming why you're here on this video. So what we're going to do is those three things in this video. Number one, we're going to make sure that even though that item wasn't delivered, if it was marked delivered, or if it wasn't marked as delivered at all, okay, we're going to make sure that Amazon actually covers that refund for you. We're going to go through that. We're going to make sure that you don't get any strikes on your Amazon account, because we don't want that, okay? You get strikes on your Amazon account, that is our livelihood right there, so we don't want that. And this that we're telling you, or we're going to show you right now, is something that we are doing, okay? And lastly, we want the customer to be happy, which means the customer either gets their product or they get their money back, okay? Either one of those means a happy customer, product or money. So what we do, jumping right into it, is we send them this. Okay, now, and I'm going to read this as I put it up here. This is what we send to our customers. Okay, now this works as long as, which I'm pretty sure 99% of you are doing this because it'd be a way different set of steps to do it differently. When you get an order, one of two things happen. Either that was an FBA order and Amazon handles it. Guess what? You're instantly covered. Number two is you're doing a merchant fulfilled order and you are fulfilling that item, which means you're storing that item, you're prepping that item, you're shipping that item, and you're dealing with any of the customer service. All the customer service, which is fine. A lot of the times the margins on merchant fulfilled are a lot better than FBA or fulfilled by Amazon. So what you want to do is, if you have used Amazon shipping, which of course you have, what does it mean to do Amazon shipping? It means all you did is you got an order in and you clicked the buy shipping button on Seller Central, okay? Now the only way to go around this is, if you wrote down all of their info, took the package to USPS or UPS, had them print all the labels, okay, most of the time, 99% of the time, 99.9% of the time, you're going to have clicked buy shipping on Amazon. You're going to print your labels, whether through an inkjet or a laser or thermal printer, what have you. You're going to print the label off of Amazon. And as long as you've done that, hands off, you're covered, okay? It should still be up here on the screen. It says, greetings, we apologize for this inconvenience. We want to empathize with the customer, especially around the holiday season, okay? It's going to be very frustrating. The item was shipped via Amazon Guaranteed Shipping, which is either FBA or the buy shipping button through Amazon when you get a merchant fulfill order. Please request a refund under the A to Z guarantee, which is Amazon's guarantee. Okay, if you have not received your package and 3 days have passed since the maximum estimated delivery date, or the tracking shows a delivery confirmation, whichever is sooner. Okay, now you can also see this if you go into your orders, okay, and you click the order ID that this specific customer's order, or in the message itself in Amazon Communications, there will be a link on the top right that'll take you exactly to the order, exactly to the product that this customer is talking about. Once you go to that order ID menu, the tracking will be right there for you to click, okay? The tracking is right there. You can see if it's been delivered or if it's stuck somewhere. Either way, it doesn't matter. The fact that the tracking information is there generated by Amazon means you're covered. As long as it shows that that package was picked up by the post office or UPS or FedEx, okay, you're good. You're covered, okay? Again, so now we're going to direct the customer basically what to do. So we're not just saying, hey, contact Amazon, they'll handle it. You're probably just going to get negative feedback. You're going to get an A to Z claim on something along the lines of seller neglect. You don't want any of that. Okay, what we're doing is we're instructing the customer how to do an A to Z guarantee properly, which it is properly, but it's properly in the way that we're going to be covered, okay? We want them to go to the orders. We want them to locate their order, select package didn't arrive, okay? So we are directing them, okay, go to your order screen. We're helping them. So this is looking good on us, okay? We're saving our own ass while looking good to the customer and following Amazon policy, okay? So you're gonna walk them through all 6 of those steps, and you're gonna let them know, hey, refund requests can take up to a week. Now, generally these resolve within 24 to 48 hours, so nothing really to worry about. The email that you saw at the beginning was actually one that we filed, I believe it was 3 days ago, so a little bit outside of the 48-hour window, but that is the response that we got. So this was just one of the biggest questions that I get is, hey, what do I do? Okay, I don't want to get a strike on my Amazon account. I don't want this money to come out of my profits, because what happens if that item doesn't ever get returned to you? Okay, you're out the money you paid for it, you're out the Amazon fees that you paid to sell it, you're out your shipping costs, okay, and you're out the item, so you can't resell it. At least if the item comes back to you, you can refund them, you know, and you're good. You can resell the item, recoup some of your losses with the profit potential that you'll make in the future. Okay, but this is really for the people that are sitting there wondering, what do I do? I'm out the money, I'm out the investment, I'm out the fees, and I'm out the product, okay? So this is really just something that I wanted to put out there to, well, really just to help people not lose money. I mean, especially during this time, sales volume, order volume, shipping volume is through the roof. It generally is across the board for everyone, no matter what platform you're selling on. If you get into eBay or Mercari, it's a little bit different, but with Amazon, we've used this template every single time we've had this issue. We've always been refunded. The seller has, or the buyer has always been happy. We've never gotten negative feedback for it. And we've had no issues with our Amazon account health or getting any strikes. So I really hope this helps some of you guys. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button, hit the thumbs up button, leave a comment if it helped. I love to know when something I put out actually helps people. So as always, guys, keep thriving, keep pushing, keep learning, keep educating yourself, keep pushing the barriers of what you think is possible. I guarantee you will find yourself 3, 5, 10 years down the line, even 3 months down the line, you'll find yourself a lot further than you ever thought was possible. Till next time, guys, take it easy.